Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Y'all know how we rocking. Y'all know I know what we doing. Y'all see the car on the lift. Boom. Another tutorial today. So today I got an 05 Lincoln LS 3.0 and I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the strut mounts on them. When these strut mounts go bad, they bang and really loud, and I guess the lady's tired of it now, so we're going to go ahead and get these out, change these strut mounts, and you guys are going to watch. Alright, so honestly this is a very easy job, pretty self-explanatory, but some people still don't know how to do it, so we're going to go through this process anyway. So honestly, all you really have to do is you're going to take off this top screw right here, top bolt. This upper control arm is damaged too. It's no good. The boot's gone. I let her know about that. But first we're going to finish this. So this screw looks like a 17 or 18. Let's go find it. I got a 19. I feel like it's a 19. Yep, it's a 19. I'll loosen our bolt. And because this stupid... Okay, so with this bolt, because this time, because the upper control arm is busted, I'm gonna need some pliers to grab the actual stud in there. So put these pliers on there. Open them up a little. Hopefully they fit. That's right now I don't see them fitting in there. Okay, so that doesn't fit. All right, so since those don't work, let's try some needle nose. These should work. Yeah, these do. The gun, I don't think this gun's gonna fit, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Nope. What if I use a short socket? And there we go. Alright, so now we got our upper control arm out. We're gonna come down to the back part. Oh, my camera's about to die. Right here, now we gotta take the bottom out. The bottom, you're probably gonna need either two sockets. Well, you probably can't get the socket in here. So we're gonna need a socket for this side and a wrench for this side. And this looks like a 19 and a 21. Yep, this side's a 21. Pretty sure this side's a 19. So let me go grab those two real quick. 19 on this side, perfect. Like that. Gun on this side. I was trying not to do this, but I'm probably gonna have to take this sway bar link out too. It's like a 13. Take my sway bar link out real quick. Hopefully this is not gonna work. Not even 14 and 15. 15. Really? My camera's about to die. Okay, so same thing with these. That's the top up here. I'm gonna need some pliers to hold on to it. Screw off of there. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, so I'm gonna do the bottom one instead. So now I can just move this up over and my screw should come right out with a couple hits. Screw out, boom. Screw to the side. Now you got all the play you need up here, down here. Now let's go to the top. All right, got the car down. Now we're on to the top. All right, so now that we're on top, we got 4 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those should be 13 or 15. I think they're 15. Oh, they're 13. Let me grab my 13. Got my 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you guys seen, but they went right down in there. So let's back up a little. Reach you guys back up. Now let's let the car back up. All right, back up in here. How good you guys can see. So now that our top screw is out, all of our bottom stuff is out, this should just pull up and we should be able to just maneuver it out. Literally just fell out, just like that. So this is the strut, this is the whole strut. Let's come over here to the side. And what we're going to be doing with this is changing the mount on top right here. This mount is no good, destroyed. So now let's get to the part of showing you how to take the strut mount off, because this is the most important and the most dangerous part of this job. So let me go get my stuff and I'll see you guys right back. All right, so this next part is the dangerous part. You don't have the right stuff. And what we gotta do is, since we're, actually, I don't know. I wonder if it comes with the whole spring. I got new struts too, but I'm not sure if it comes with the spring or not, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So we're gonna do this part anyway. So this is a very thick spring. As you guys can see, we all know the springs. And they are compressed as of right now. So to get these to get the strut mount off, you gotta take the screw off the top. So to get the strut mount off, you gotta take the screw off the top. If you take this screw off the top without compressing this spring, this strut mount will fly off with a lot of force. We're not doing science right now, so I'm not gonna go there, but that's a lot of force, enough to possibly kill you. This is a really thick spring, so be careful with these parts. Do not just take this screw off without compressing this spring. Now to compress the spring, they have a tool for it. You guys can go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone. You can just rent one or whatever. You don't use it that often, you can just rent it. But unfortunately, I use it a lot, so I just went ahead and bought it. You know, they're very inexpensive. What you do is, you guys can't really see. What you do is they have the claw. A claw on this side and a claw on that side. You put each claw on the spring, and when you put the claw up, that's probably not a good spot. Well, and you're supposed to push the clip close right here, and it locks the spring onto the actual claw. So let's do that to both sides real quick with this one spring. All right, so I got them both on. It should look just like that. You got one on each side. One on this side, one on this side. And then it comes with a nut on the bottom that you just screw, and then when you screw it up, it's going to compress the clamp for you all the way down. In my case, mine's a 19. Got my 19 right here. Now that my spring is compressed, that should give us enough slack to where when I open this up, it doesn't shoot off at me. So let me go get my, looks like a 15. Let's take this top bolt off. What I'm gonna do is take my clamps off now. They go on the new one anyway. He's not trying to come off of here. There we go. That's our strut mount. All right, so my dad went to go pick up my new struts. So when he gets back, we're gonna put this thing back together, and I'll be showing you guys how to put it back together. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and just put these back together. I was gonna show y'all how to do it, but I mean, it's pretty much the same thing as taking them off. So here's my new strut mount. Only thing that's the same on here is the spring. So let's get this process back on the roll. That's everything in the bottom. Got my tie rod back on, my upper control arm, sway bar links, my bolt down there tight. This side is completely done. Now we're gonna let the car down and go to the top. Whew. All right, so my camera just died on that side while I was putting the top bolts in, so I'm just gonna use my phone for now. You guys are finished. Just these 4 screws on the top. Everything should line up perfect. And yeah, we're on the ground, we're done. Tires are on. And now I'm gonna take it for a test drive. She needs rear shocks too, but I guess she only wanted to do the front two, so we're gonna do the front two first. And I'm gonna turn the steering wheel back. Push it forward because can't get in right here. Ooh, nice little push off. All right, so let's take this bad boy for a little drive real quick. Make sure that my front two are good. I guess I'll see you guys after the drive.
Boy.